Hello everyone. In this short video we're going to show you how to sign up for the VisualCAMc for Onshape app. It's available in the Onshape App Store. So if you go to the App Store, you will see VisualCAMc listed on the first page of the App Store. You can also select the Cam section and go ahead and select VisualCAMc for Onshape. And you can sign up for a monthly plan or an annual plan or a free short trial. And then once you sign up for the application, go back and log into your Onshape account and go ahead and open an Onshape document or create an Onshape document. Let's go ahead and create a document real quick. And we'll go ahead and create a quick sketch. So we'll just create a quick drawing there real quick, and then we'll go down to the Insert Element tab and Add Application and select VisualCAMc. And VisualCAMc will load and you'll have the Select Part dialog. We'll select our Part 1 in our Part Studio, and there's our little test part there. So here's our Onshape part, and here's our VisualCAMc part. And if you want to see how you load that, how it looks in an existing Onshape part, you can also go to Teams. You can also go to Teams and then VisualCAMc Public and go to the Quick Start folder, and you can load one of these parts in here. And here is our Onshape part, and here is our VisualCAMc part. And also, if you want to give us some quick feedback, you can go to the Help menu and pick feedback and give us some feedback on how your experience is going with VisualCAMc for Onshape.